read it. Hey.
When it came to the acceleration of our business, there was one thing that really took us to the next level: international sales. The ability to penetrate the international markets simply by utilizing the Amazon FBA and Amazon global selling infrastructure. This made the leap into those territories far easier. For our business, we decided it was the right time to do this when we started seeing fantastic growth and traction in the UK market. At this point, Amazon helped us better understand the opportunity of selling internationally, from the strategy through to ensuring that we met the requirements and regulations in the new markets. When getting started on FBA, there's a few things to consider. Do take your time to understand how FBA works and what programs within it would be a best fit for you and your products. Don't forget to seek out help if you're stuck or unsure. Leverage the free resources, including Seller University, from the beginning. For us, being able to reach this international market meant expecting to double our growth on Amazon by the end of this year, and we began to establish ourselves in other territories that really resonated with our brand. It really allows you to sell to millions with the Prime badge, and even in Amazon European stores in countries you selected for storage. Customers worldwide trust Amazon Prime for faster, more reliable deliveries, and fundamentally, it's allowed us to save on fulfillment costs by paying the local fulfillment fees in the countries where we enabled Amazon to store our products. We've always done Fulfill by Amazon because you're leveraging the entire sort of power of Amazon from the get-go. That's taking your products and placing it in the safe and capable hands of the Amazon ecosystem, therefore allows you as a brand to focus on what you're good at and what's important to you as a business. People shop on Amazon because they know that they'll always get what they've ordered. And if they don't, that will be fixed very quickly and simply. So in that sense, there's a lot of trust already built up by Amazon. So as a brand, we are able to leverage that trust and lean in as a partner to Amazon to deliver that value to a customer. And we've definitely seen the benefits of that because people love the fact they can get their hands on our products with a click of a couple of buttons. The Prime badge is really a badge of honor for a brand because it means that customers can get that product with confidence and buy it with confidence, and they know that it'll be at their doorstep in the next day or so at most. Time is very critical in this day and age, and everyone wants that speed of delivery at their fingertips. Having the Prime badge allows you as a brand to get in front and in the hands of customers in a very short space of time. The tipping point for Superfoodio to start selling internationally was the traction that we were getting on Amazon UK. We saw such a great demand early on that we realized that there is this incredible opportunity where there are customers similar to the UK market all over the world. And using Amazon's global selling platform, we're able to replicate our business across so many different countries and regions because the customers still have a love and a need for our type of product. So it's just a great marriage and opportunity to expand our business using the power of Amazon.